Happy birthday, Tita Ann. You may be my mom's best friend, but to me, you're like a sister. You're the kind who makes everyone laugh till their stomach hurts, listens when you need comfort, and somehow always knows how to make any room feel lighter. Tita Ann, you have amazing way of loving people, a way to make our heart melt. So, I wish you a happy and healthy life. Thank you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. With the Lord, God bless you. With the Lord, God bless you.
Gaboy.
With the Lord, God, with the Lord, God, with the Lord, God bless you. Happy birthday, Lola Ann.
Yan. Happy birthday to you. Wish you all the best in your life, ate. Be happy always and God bless. Bye-bye. Love you. See you.
Happy birthday. Be happy. Today is your day. You were brought into this world to be a blessing and inspirations to the people around you. You are a wonderful person. May you be given more birthdays to fulfill all of your dreams. I wish for you that unta dili ka magbago kung unsa kapag kakilala namo day. We are always be here with you all the time sa hirap at sa ginhawa. Palangga ka namo day, tandain na. Thankful kay ko na nga nakilala ta ka nga as a friend, and no matter I always be your friends. I love you, Day. God bless always.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Diane. Wish you all the best and good health with abundance from God. Hope you enjoy your day. We love you.
Happy and healthiest birthday to my sister, like friend, and Pereira. We've been so long, and we've been so much ups and downs, and I am so grateful for the friendship we shared and for the bond we have and for the strength we found each other through every trials. I wish you nothing but a genuine happiness and a contentment in life. May your day be beautiful as your heart. Happy birthday. I love you always.
Happy and healthiest birthday to my sister-like friend. I've known you quite sometimes, and I know your ups and downs, and I think I know what's inside in your heart.
Hi, Nak! Happy birthday! Ang wish na ko sa imuha, Nak, nga unta atagan kag maing panglawas, ingon man kalig-on ug kabasog labi na sa imuhang pamilya, imuhang asawa nga tuwa sa layo, imo siyang pagaproteksyonan siya sa Ginoo, labi na ang bata. Ug kana lang, Nak, happy birthday. Love you, Nak. Thank you. Thank you.
Happy birthday, anak ni Gira. Anniversary baya karon, so kag atong napunitan ka dito sa sapa sa andapon. Happy birthday, An. I love you. Unta dili ka mausab, mubo lang gyapon og ilong. Ngano wala man mo ta sa imong ilong, iwat si duday sa imong ilong. Happy birthday, love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Ann. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Ann. I'm
I'm grateful na isa ka sa akong nakaila siya siya lang ka. And isa ka sa naging kuhaan ka ng ate figure na ko din siya lang ka. And I'm wishing you always good health and life. More bonding with Duday, naglaag ko kung and God bless you always. Yun na, love you.